Hello and welcome back. This morning I'm going to show you the main difference between the pressurized basket versus non-pressurized baskets. So over the year, because I understand the exact concept of how pressurized basket works, but ever since I got my bottomless photo filter, now I can see it. Now I can see how the pressurized basket works. Because with not just regular baskets, you have no idea what's the behind the scene is. So, and this morning I'm going to show you how the pressurized basket works. So, what's the main difference? So you're gonna see two baskets on your Barista Express. One is just has lots of holes in it, and then the other one has the tiny hole. I mean, no, you're gonna see some holes, but this is not a hole. Okay, so this is just static. Okay. That's cosmetic. It's nothing. Just the look like has holes in it, but the tiny hole is located right there. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna have some better view angle, but this morning I'm going to put both of them in it on my bottomless photo filter, and then I'm going to pull the dummy shot, and you guys can see it. So let's start with the single wall baskets, also known as non-pressurized baskets. So I'm just gonna put it in here. As you can see on the video, the waters come out very freely. Okay, and then so check this out. So this time I'm going to use the pressurized baskets. Did you guys see that? The tiny hole coming out, the water stream there. So again, I mean, this is fake, the middle portion. So pressurized baskets, they give you like needle point size of the hole. So that's why you don't have to dial in the grinder size, because what's gonna happen is the inside is gonna be, everything's so pressurized and just come out the fake crema as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some coffee in it, and let's see, and then see what they look like. I'm gonna put some real coffee in it. I'm just gonna put maybe 16 gram, maybe. I'm gonna 16 gram. I'm gonna change my grinder size to very coarser. I'm just gonna go all the way up to like 16, and then I'm gonna make coffee using pressurized basket on bottomless photo. That was pretty wild, wasn't it? You see all the fake crema coming out? So this is not exactly the true crema like what we are used to. But, you know, let's try anyway. It looks really hideous. So I'm just gonna taste it. So this is Sumatra, not the Sumatra, but this is Ethiopia beans from brandy wine. It's not that great. So I'm just gonna make myself Americano. I mean, it looks great, isn't it? I mean, overall it looks great. There are lots crema on the top. I kind of feel, I mean, it's not the real crema, but at least it looks good. So let's try the Americano here. Cheers. It's okay, not the best. But again, I mean, if you guys are in a hurry, you don't want to mess with the grinder size or the temping pressure or distribution. or grinder amounts. You know what? Pressurized is a really good option as well. The one bad thing is, again, the cleanup is a little messy. It doesn't come out. Doesn't want to come out, okay? Because everything is all chucked in there. So you have to use a spoon for that. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you're gonna like it, just thumbs up. Better yet, subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. See you guys next time.